The teardown of my old engine has begun. Damn. Well, I've discovered what killed my old engine. I apparently had a blown head gasket. Check this out. Yeah, oil's not supposed to look like that. Wow. Alright, well, look at this nasty shit. Looks tasty. Looks real tasty. Cam's already started rusting and everything. So, I think I'm gonna get rid of this engine. I was gonna rebuild it, but after looking at all this, I'm like, man, I can get these engines are a dime a dozen. I can just get another one. I will, however, keep a number of the internal parts that can be salvaged. I don't know if I can salvage the vanos. I may be able to get those rebuilt, but my guides, shit, that's it. That's all I can really keep is the guides and the chain. The hell, the chain like it's trying to rust right there too. We're gonna think about it and make a decision. Either way, I'm gonna continue with this teardown and see what the inside looks like and see how bad the damage is. Stand by. Alright, so the carnage isn't as bad as I anticipated, so I think we're good. I'm probably still gonna get a new chain. I don't like the little rust splotches that are on the chain. But the guide rails themselves are in good condition. They're not even grooved yet because these guys are put in this engine actually around this time last year, around January actually. So they only had about 10,000 miles on them, so they're still relatively new. So what I'm going to do is remove those, get them cleaned up, and we're going to salvage the guide rails. Timing chain, I don't know about that. We'll probably go ahead and get a new timing chain. Same thing with the cam chains, the cam tensioners and all that stuff. All of those pieces will be replaced. Same thing with the OSV. That may be able to be salvaged. I can probably get in there and clean it out. It's a plastic piece, so I'll think about that and make a decision on that. We'll make a pimp decision. Anyway, this is where we stand. We are, for the most part, completely broken down. I gotta take the compressor off. I gotta take the oil canister off. And that's it. I mean, shit. I wonder what the hell happened. I know what happened. I should say I wonder when it happened, because I did run hot maybe twice since I've had that car when I was having the cooling issues. So who the fuck knows? I don't know. I'm still going to take this head off too because I want to see the damage, because I believe it's on this side. The number 2 cylinder is the one that I was having problems with, and occasionally I got a misfire on number 1. So 1 and 2 on this engine are right next to each other, so that's probably where the break was. Anyway, I will probably take the head off in another video, but I think I'm going to end this one. So, as I always say, like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Peace.